I've just spent $2,119 on Upwork Connects. That bought me 11,777 of them. And I did it because of that feeling that you get on this platform. You send good proposals and nothing, crickets. You watch weaker freelancers take jobs that you know you should have won. And then the voice starts coming in. It's rigged. It's pay to play. People like me, I can't compete with people who can afford the top slot. Every freelancer says it, but nobody has ever properly tested it. So this week, I am. The plan is stupidly simple. Connects are Upwork's currency, about 15 cents each, and pay to play on this platform has exactly two levers. You can boost an application, so you bid Connects in the auction to sit at the top of a client's shortlist. And you can also boost your profile. Pay per click to be seen more across the whole platform as jobs get posted. This week, I'm pulling both, and I'm pulling them hard. 200 Connects for every individual application, that's $30 each, and then 200 a click on the profile. Every Connect of the 11,777 is gone by Friday. And you don't have to wait for a results video to check on me. Every single application goes into a public Google Sheet. The link's in the description. It contains the job type, the client's budget, what I quoted, whether that one was boosted or not and by how much, and then, importantly, the status. Applied, replied, interview, won and lost. Live, row by row. As it happens, no editing, no cherry picking. So if this strategy dies, you'll watch it die in real time. Now, I didn't start here. This account has earned $500,000, top 1% of freelancers on the platform with the expert vetted badge. And I'll be straight with you here because I've spent thousands in a single week on this platform before and got absolutely nothing back, except for low quality leads. All of it off camera, private losses. This is the first time I've ever done this on YouTube, and it's also summer. It's the softest season on the platform, budgets sleep, decision makers are out of office, and lead quality tends to drop in my experience. I'm doing it anyway, because if this works in the worst season, on camera, the argument, well, it's over. And understand why a same person puts $30 on one application. I'm not buying a job. I'm buying a client who pays every month. My business runs off monthly retainers. Clients worth thousands a month in some cases for years. One retainer pays for this entire pile of Connects many times over. 0 retainers and you watch me set fire to $2,000 in public. Quickly before I start bidding, put your prediction in the comments. Profit or bonfire? Give me the number. How much does 11,000 Connects on a profile like mine bring back? The closest guess gets pinned on the results video. And one rule before I go, because whatever your budget is, whether it's $20 or $1,700, this decides whether you should ever buy a single Connect. Never buy Connects just to get seen. You buy when 3 things line up. The job is squarely in your lane, the exact thing that you do, not nearly. The client checks out, real spend histories, decent reviews and verified payment. And then the math has to work. If you spend $30 to win a client worth $3,000 a month, then of course it's an obvious yes. But if you spend the same $30 chasing a one-off job at $150, let's say, it's a significant portion of what you're making back, and then the risk to the profile, etc. That's not marketing. That's a donation. Laying clients math. Money doesn't fix a bad proposal or the wrong job. It multiplies whatever's already there. So that's the stake in the ground. 11,777 Connects, 2 levers, 1 week. In the worst season, every number public. The sheet's below, grab it. The results video lands the moment that the real numbers are real. Subscribe because that video only makes sense if you saw this one. And if you want to see the machine the money's riding on, my complete Upwork course is on screen now. My name's Michael Elliott. I'll catch you in the next one.